The Indian pump industry is worth more than $2.2 billion as of 2020. With more than 800 pump manufacturers, India has seen an increased consumption of pumps in the last few decades. In this highly competitive domain, becoming one of the sought-after pump manufacturer takes dedication and focus. At Sintech, we believe in nothing less than perfection. Sintech Precision Products Ltd is an internationally acclaimed pump manufacturing company. Established in 1986, we are one of the leading industrial pump suppliers in India and abroad. Headquartered in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India, Sintech was the vision of an enterprising technocrat, Mr. N.C. Dhingra. Our USP is our commitment towards the quality of our pump manufacturing process. Our pumps are known for its long-lasting performance, which beats our competitors. Sintech has more than 3 decades of experience and expertise in the field. We strive to incorporate latest technologies in our manufacturing process in these times of rigorous technological boom. We provide services in manufacturing and sales, technical support to customers in the water utility, industrial and building service sectors. We serve customers in diverse applications like clear water, process, slurry, liquid with suspended solids, sewage, acids, alkalis and seawater, to name a few. We manufacture and supply a wide variety of pumps like centrifugal pumps, vertical pumps, horizontal pumps, industrial process pump, dynamic sealing pumps, horizontal mixed flow pumps, multi-stage high pressure pumps, split casing pumps, vertical sump pumps, etc. We specialize in manufacturing of pumps suitable for multiple purposes. Our clean process pumps and industrial pumps are manufactured to strict guidelines to avoid any contamination issues. We work in different industries like sugar and distillery, pulp and paper, power and energy, steel plant, pharma, process industry, water treatment plants, water desalination plants, agriculture and many more. Sintech has a unique infrastructure in place which allows us to meet the ever-changing market demands whilst delivering quality products in high volumes. Our facilities allows Sintech to accurately allocate work to specific units, ensuring production timeframes and quality control. The VMC-based pattern shop ensures that every pump produced is of the highest quality. For assured quality, our pumps go through various quality tests like dye penetrant inspection, hydro testing, impeller balancing and ultrasonic testing. Sintech has supplied pumps to thousands of customers for numerous critical and non-critical applications. With continuous innovation, Sintech has constantly set benchmarks for our competitors, which help us expand our market share and success. Sintech is an ISO 9001 certified company. Precision is the heart of our business. Our qualified team of technical advisors will help you choose the right pump for your application. We provide timely after-sales services, which is the backbone of our customer satisfaction. We look forward to extend our quality services to more and more customers in the coming years.